This can be a life-changing video tutorial if you watch the entire video and follow every step, because this video will be a step-by-step video guide. Hey guys, Rana here, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars with Canva. Canva has two types of account, free account and pro account. But in this video, we'll make money with free Canva account. When I say free, that means 110% free. No hidden subscription, no hidden fees, no pro account required. However, you can have a pro account with 30-day free trial. Once the trial ends, as you know, you have to pay for those pro features. But in this video, we're not gonna use pro account. We will only use a free account to make money with Canva. By the way, today we have another giveaway. If you want to know the prize gift, you must watch the entire video. In order to participate in this giveaway, read the description box. Now let's get started with our step 1. Sign up for free Canva account. So for those of you who are new around here, this is Canva. As my long-time subscriber know, this is my favorite graphic designing tool. I create logo for my clients and I create thumbnails for my YouTube videos. With Canva, you can create a unique and stunning graphic design in no time without having any kind of graphic designing skills. They have added hundreds and thousands of templates, elements, font, shapes, and free pictures in a free Canva account, so we will take advantage of these free pictures to make money. Canva is so simple to use, just drag and drop any element into your canvas and you're good to go. Now let's move to the step 2. Find a free pictures on Canva for print. If you're wondering what will we do with these free pictures, well, here's the answer. We'll use these free pictures and shapes to create a printable product, and then we will sell them on Etsy. So this is Etsy, one of the largest e-commerce platform for buying and selling digital and physical product. This is an example of physical product. As you know, a physical product, a product that can be touched and can be shipped to the customer after selling it. On the other hand, printable product will be a printable image file that you can sell on Etsy. For example, if you buy this printable product, you will not receive a physical poster at your shipping address. Etsy will send you an email with download link so that you can download and print this printable product on poster paper and use it wherever you like. You can hand this type of printable product on your wall or wherever you like. So what you say now? It is not a passive way to make money online by selling a printable product on Etsy, isn't it? So before we move to the next step, I want to tell you a bit more about Etsy, how you should work on Etsy before you create a product. First of all you need to do is just search for a printable product on Etsy and see if there are any printable products that are easy to make, and it should be less competitive as well. At this point, if you are thinking, how do we know which printable product is a less competitive and high demand? Well, the answer for you can use the Etsy product research tool Alara. With this tool, you can do a product research and keyword research and much more. The good thing about this tool, it has a free plan as well, just like Canva. So you don't have to pay anything for your Etsy product research or keyword research on Etsy. However, if you like to use the advanced feature of this tool, you can go with starter plan or professional plan. You can find this tool in the video description. Anyways, this is another printable product. This is a printable calendar that you can print on paper and hang it on your wall or anywhere you like. And you can use free Canva account to create same type of printable calendar and sell it on Etsy. There are so many printable items that you can create using free Canva account, like printable planner, kids coloring pages, and so on. There are a huge list of items that you can create using free Canva account. I'll provide you a list of the printable items in the video description as much as possible. Okay, now let's move with the third and final step. Create printable product. It is straightforward in Canva. Log into your Canva account and search for the printable product that you like to create. For example, if you want to create a printable calendar, search for printable calendar, and then select the item and click on customize button. Now customize this printable calendar as per your liking, but you must add your own creativity and make this printable calendar your own. In the same way, you can create different types of printable items with Canva free account and sell it on Etsy. Another great example, you can create kids coloring pages using Canva free account. This is a printable product as well. These pages are simple to create. all you need to do, just go to element section inside the Canva and search for cat outline, dog outline, and drag and drop these files into your canvas and you're good to go. Once you're done creating your product, it's time to download your printable product. In order to download your masterpiece, click on the share button at the top right corner and then click on the download button. In the file type, select PDF print and make sure you check these two checkboxes. In color profile, make sure you select 𝗀𝗵𝗋𝗃 and then click on the download button to download your printable product and you are ready to sell it on Etsy. But there is one problem. If you want to list this item for sale on Etsy, you have to pay 20 cents. 20 cents per item. Don't worry, I got a solution for you. If you use a referral link of existing Etsy store, that Etsy store will get 40 free listings and you will get 40 free listing as well, which is awesome, right? To get a 40 free listing on Etsy, search for 40 free listing on Etsy search bar and open one of these products and see if there is any referral link. Open this referral link and create your Etsy store and you will get a 40 free listing. Now all you have to do, just list your printable items on Etsy and make thousands of dollars every month just like that. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you next time.